Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell the story about the great battle between the Power Rangers and the Powerpuff Girls. So let's get started. I'm going to use this whiteboard here to assist me. So first, we got the big old Power Ranger dudes. These big burly men think they're all tough and cool. That's not very good drawing, but I'm trying my best with my drawings here. I know they're not desirable, but these guys are tough Power Rangers. Let's label them right here. Power Rangers. So there we go. We got the Power Rangers on one side. Over here, we got the Powerpuff Girls. There we go. Maybe let's add a few bows in her hair. Give her that extra aesthetic that we need here. Got a couple little Power Ranger girls, or I mean Powderpuff Girls, sorry. I chose two names that started with P, so it's going to get a little bit confusing here. Powder Puff. Power Rangers, Powerpuff Girls. So these two have been in a constant battle for multiple years, but the problem is their powers are both too great to defeat each other. They don't know which one's better, so they've been going back and forth, trying to win the battle, but they can't think of any way to do it. Until one day, light bulb. Sorry, that's a horrible light bulb. But the Powerpuff Girls came up with an idea that they are going to build a giant contraption to defeat the Power Rangers. So what did they build? Well, let's draw it out for you right here. Uh-oh. This is not going to be a good one. Anyone want to guess what that is? It's a Fortnite llama. I know there's a lot of kids out there that love Fortnite these days, so they would know exactly what that was when they saw that. Let's label this too. Fortnite llama. Bam, there it is. And so what they decided to do is load up a bunch of Powerpuff minions, which is basically their offspring, a bunch of little mini ones. They could fit a lot of them in the giant Fortnite llama. So they ended up loading this thing full of 30 minions. And I'm not going to draw them all out. There's just a few right there. But imagine that's 30 minions inside this Fortnite llama. And so what they did was send this llama over to the Power Rangers gate, because both their bases are surrounded by giant barricades and walls so that no one can get in, except for a fake gift that the Powerpuff Girls decided to give to the Power Rangers as a surrender. So they sent it over to their base. The Power Rangers were like, oh dude, no way. These Powerpuff Girls are just giving us a gift and giving up. Yeah, we're alpha males over here in the Power Ranger areas. And so they took in the Fortnite llama into their base, and they had the Fortnite llama there until nightfall. And then when they all went to bed, all of these minions came out of the Fortnite llama and attacked and destroyed the Power Rangers base while they were all asleep and defenseless. And so the Powerpuff Girls ended up winning the entire battle off of a genius move from your girl, Lucy. That's the main Powerpuff Girl, Lucy. She's awesome. But they won the battle. They lived happily ever after. Power Rangers failed, and these girls went and got their nails done. Thank you.